So the question is, one is trying to do or follow Jain principles or observe Jain principles to the best of his or her knowledge as much as possible. But then sometimes family members, they don't understand when you say like, I don't want to have karma bandh, or you are trying to do something and they don't understand. In that situation, what one should do?
It's a very simple things to do. First of all, do you understand everything what you're doing? Okay, do you really know in and out of the situation? Okay, what are you trying to accomplish it? Okay, if you understand it properly, unbiased way, okay, because other family member may not be agreeing with you, okay, but if you understand, okay, this is what I am trying to accomplish it, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm trying to accomplishment it, and this is how my spiritual progress can occur. Once you do that way, then, and if still the family member for whatever reason do not understand it, there is nothing you can do. Just leave it alone. You do your, but don't try to impose your idea to anybody else. Okay, you can explain them, but not in a forcing tone. Okay, you explain them, this is what I do. In my case, when I become vegan like 25 years ago, everybody were against me in my family. Okay, so now you can see, but I said, fine, I'm not saying that you guys become vegan. Okay, but since I am a vegan, this is how I choose my life that way. And I'm not hurting anybody. I'm not imposing on anybody else, you do it. I can still live with one item if I can. And that's what happened many places. One or two items. That is the only thing we find out without any dairy product. And we never complained. We just ate only whatever it is available. And that's the end of it. Okay. Today, the things are different. All right. But why? We believed in ourselves. Okay, this is, even though they argue with me, so Bhagavan Mahavira ate kheer. What's wrong with it? I said, Bhagavan Mahavira ate kheer. It is in the story. Bhagavan Mahavir cannot eat kheer, period, because that's against his own preaching. Because any rasatyag, what we just saw it today, okay? The rasatyag means any food that makes you drowsy, unaware, that is not allowed in Jain literature. Okay, it's clearly said. But is the author indication that Bhagavan Mahavir had a Kheer Parana on that one? It is not a historical incident. It is a story. And story has certain points to clear it up. All right. It is Jain stories are never a history. I'll tell you that one. Okay. You will find some components of the historical things or history literature, but it is, if a story is been explaining a principle, or you are creating a principle out of the story. Principle, if you create out of the story, because Mahavira drink kheer, where is the principle? What Mahavira said, one should eat kheer for such and such reason. Did you ever find any place? There is no principle. It is the story because that's the culture at that time. That is the Indian culture. Okay, kheer is the one, any guest comes to my home. Okay, what I serve is a sweet and easy to make is a kheer. And that's what they did it. Okay, it is a culture, and that's why Even the author said Bhagwan Mahavir got the kheer because if somebody's home, Bhagwan Mahavir visits, what you do the best thing. And the best things at that time was a kheer. Salibhadra story is a kheer, completely that one. Buddha story. When Buddha did the parana, what he got? Kheer. This is all Indian culture. It has nothing to do with the history. All right. So that is the point I'm saying. Okay. Anything else?